This quick hairstyle, you're going to like it. So first, what I'm doing here now, I'm just sectioning the hair. So I'm taking a section from the up, and then you can see what I'm doing now. I'm taking another section. So get your band and wrap it. This particular hair I'm using, I bought it for like less than 20 pounds. It's a synthetic hair. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to show you that you can style with whatever you have. So now I'm putting the padding. I'm not using too much. When you're doing this style, make sure that the padding is not too big, because the hair is going to fall on top as well. Just have that in mind. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex, a bridal hairstylist in London. And if you want to go further, you want to learn more, I have a membership. All the details will be down in the description where you can learn if you want to take this more further. So now that the bun is done, so I'm just going to comb this, because the hair needed to be washed, so I haven't really washed it. So just twist it so that it does not get tangled in your hand. So twist it, and I'm getting a pin that part, pin it down, and I'm going to be taking another hair. So this hairstyle, I just want you to watch. Just watch the magic that we are going to be doing in this hairstyle. So the other one, I'm just using my hand. This is a synthetic hair. For you that always ask me, can I use synthetic? Yes. Some synthetic hair you can even tongue it, but it has to be on a lower heat. Don't use too much high heat or else it's going to burn. So lower heat if you have to, but you don't really have to. So everything can go all back. So just do everything. We are just doing everything to the back, and I'm using a pin to pin it right close to the padding so that it does not hurt the person's hair. If you want where you can see all my videos in one place, my step-by-step tutorial, check Hair by Chris Bex. The link is going to be down the description below. Now see what I'm doing now. So I just want you to pull it. So watch my hand. That's the way I'm doing it. So I just pull it. So twist and just pinch it, pinching. So just to give it a little bit of fluff. So that's what I'm doing now. So that part there, if you think is falling off, I've used pin. You can just use a band. You can use a rubber band to just hold that part, but I don't think it's going to fall off. So imagine you doing this with a black hair. It's going to pop and it's going to be shiny. It's going to be beautiful. So we are just going to do all. So this hair, I'll put the link of this mannequin. If you want it, I'll put it in the description below so that you can check it. I got it from Amazon. I don't know if they are still selling it, but I'll put it. So we are just going to do everything. The beauty is already coming out. Just look at the back. Look at the fullness of the back. Can you believe this is a synthetic hair? You can use anything. It's just the thing is the technique. When you have the technique, styling become easy. Okay, so that part now, it was coming off. I just push it in. Use your hand. See what I'm doing? Like this. I'm just using my hand to just pull it a little bit. Now that it's done, I'm just pushing the pin back in because we don't want anything to come off. Now I'm just kind of arranging it. Look at the profile. Look how beautiful the hair is. So I'm taking out the pin from the back. You have to remember to do that. Now I'm just going to put it together and just push it on that bun. Push it, and I'm going to pin it to secure it in place. Yes, that's what I just done there. Secure everything in place. That's what you should do as well. Make sure, as the person, is it hurting you, make sure that no pin, because you don't want anybody walking and the pin is the pin is like making them more comfortable. This is the finished hairstyle. I hope you like it, and then that's just a little thing that I do. Hope you like it. Share this video so that it can reach a lot of hairstylists and people that want to learn how to style. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and all the details, everything you need will be down the description below. And also we have a membership that you can have. There's going to be a video of the membership here. If you want to know anything about our new membership, this video here is for you. Bye.